How to reset Firefox restoring to default settings. So if you want to restore default settings on your Firefox, then what you need to do is first open up your Firefox application. Once you open up your Firefox, now you just need to simply click on the orange Firefox button, which is on the top left corner, which is here. You just need to simply click on that option and hover over to the help option. Here you will have the help option. Click on the help, and in the extended menu, you will have an option of troubleshooting information. Click on the troubleshooting information option and then look at the top right of the page and click on reset Firefox button. Under the troubleshooting information, you will have Reset Firefox on the upper right. Click on that and click on Reset Firefox to confirm the reset. Here you will have Reset Firefox, confirm, and on the third step, Firefox will close and a new window will open to import the saved data. Once you've imported the saved data, here on the bottom, you will get a Finish option. Click on Finish. Once you click on Finish, Firefox will open again and it will be reset. So that's how you can reset your Firefox to your default settings. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.